Hello, class. Good morning. Welcome to New Student Experience. I am your professor, Professor Perez. I wanted to make this quick video to kind of give you a layout of Canvas so you can see how to navigate through it, some tips and some things to look out for. So I won't take up too much of your time, but I did want to show you our course. So here it is. This is SLS 1122, CRN number 14095. And this is what your home page looks like when you're logged into our course in Canvas. A few things. You'll notice announcements. Please take a look at these. You should be logging into your Canvas account a few times a week to stay on track. I will put announcements throughout the week. I try not to post too many announcements, but there are things that come up that are important for me to relay to you, so I will do so in the announcements sections here. So it's always a really good practice to continue to log into your Canvas account a few times a week and check your announcements section. That's where I'll put some information in as well. Of course, I do send information through inbox at times, so you also want to check your inbox in Canvas. That's where I primarily send messages back and forth individually to students, so you'll definitely want to keep your eyes peeled on that. And if you send me messages through Canvas, I will get it here in Canvas, and I'll also get a copy of it in my email inbox. So either one works for me, whatever's easy for you. So you'll notice the syllabus section here. So if you click on the syllabus section, it has all of my information, instructor information, excuse me, my office hours, engagement hours. Just know that if none of these times work for you, I'm more than happy to try to find a time in a day that does work for you, and it could be outside of these hours. So just communicate with me, and we'll work together to find a time to meet. Real important, the course syllabus is here, the file is there, and also the class calendar is here. So this will map out what we're doing each week and the assignments that are going to be coming. And the syllabus has all of my class policies, procedures, grading scale, things like that. So you'll see it here in this section as well. But if you just open the file, it'll pop up and show you the actual syllabus for the course. So definitely check that out. Lots of important information in the syllabus. It's best practice to read all of your course syllabus as you start your semester. All right, so let's jump into modules. So the way I've laid out the course is every week I'll open up a new module. And so for this week, it's module 1. You'll notice you can start here at the welcome, and you can't jump into any of the other pages because the setting is there where you have to actually open up the first one, read through it. It's going to talk to you about what the graded activities are, but you can't get to them right away because you do have to hit next. And you do need to go through the module in sequential order. It won't let you just bounce around at the beginning, so you have to go through, read the actual pages. You'll want to select mark as done, and then you can hit next, and it'll go to the next page within the module. So if I come back to the module, you'll notice that it allowed me to go through sequentially, but it won't let me go any further because I need to go back into the last page I was in, read it, and mark it as done. And then once you get through all of the pages, then you'll be able to access the graded activities, which for this week are an online readiness quiz and a discussion post of introducing yourself. Please make sure you get onto the discussion posts early. It makes for a richer conversation with your classmates in an online environment. That's kind of how we create community, is by posting in these discussion assignments and responding back to your classmates. You'll notice that all of the discussions, when I assign those, you need to post your initial discussion, and then you're going to need to reply to at least 2 of your classmates. And there is a word count, so please pay attention to the word count that I have listed there. And then go back and check to see what students have commented on, so you can go back and contribute to that conversation. So once you go through all of that, again, you'll get to the graded assignments or activities, and you can complete those. And next Monday, I'll open up another module, and you'll have the same process to go through. Another option you can see your grades here. You can also see the people that are in class. So you have all of your classmates listed here as well. So that's just a quick layout. I look forward to the semester. I look forward to you being successful. I'm here to support you. Please do not hesitate to reach out when you have questions. It's best to ask questions early on so that I can support you and you being successful in this class. So I hope this video was helpful. Take care. I'm excited for a new semester, and I look forward to you all being successful in the class. Thank you.